We are looking really good today. We have on our Do Your Best to Ace the Test t-shirt. Raise your hand if you know that you are ready to ace the test tomorrow. That should be every hand. 5th graders, you're pros at this. You've done it already. 4th graders, you've done it before. We really hit those STAR test-taking strategies. This is just a reminder. You're going to help me go through this quickly. S stands for strategy. This time I'm going to have Miss Walker, our assistant superintendent, come up. Let's give her a hand. She's going to help us. Every teacher that you see here.
Let's kick it. Listen, Matt is back with a brand new edition. Something that's a whole new title. I'm studying math back and not you. You like your hands? Yeah, I know. Give me that test. And I'll show. And all stars, 4 things that I know where to go for it. And, you know, I'm sitting on this and now you can see. Daily, when I use the test strategy, you did it. That's all. That's all. I'm gonna hit the ball like a confidence. Get there, it's a problem. No.
You guys go back to your classrooms. You're going to have some kindergartners or some 1st or 2nd graders with a little surprise for you. We're doing this for you. You deserve it, and we want you to be encouraged. So remember, we're confident and ready. So we're getting ready to line up.